Hi guys, Denise here from Sewlimitless.com, and I wanted to share with you some of the things that I've made recently. I've made a couple of jackets. That has been my focus most recently, so I just wanted to share with you the things that I've made and let you know what patterns I've been using. So the first one is this jacket here. It is the Chloe Trench from Angela Wolf Patterns, and I will show you that. That's this pattern here. I will try to insert a picture so you can get a better look at it. It's the Chloe Trench, and it has some traditional trench coat styling, but a bit of a modern twist on it as well. This one is unlined, although you can add a lining. The pattern does not call for buttons, but you can also add those. It's got pockets here. You've got the flap here in the back, which is a pretty traditional element for trench coats, and the nice collar. I did add, you do have the buckles on the sleeve. I did have buckles there. I did not add a buckle on the belt itself. You can, but you don't have to. So it's really nice, and it is fairly easy to make. Actually, there are quite a few pieces, of course, because it's a trench coat, but not difficult to put together. So I encourage you to give that a try. So that is the Angela Wolf Chloe Trench. And for this trench coat, what I did is I used home decor fabric. It's a cotton, and I washed it first just to make sure if it was going to shrink. Made sure that happened first before cutting it out. But it is just a home decor fabric. It's what I used. So you have a variety of fabric options as well that you can use to make this. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know that is definitely an option. So this is a terrific choice. And the next one that I did is this Chanel style, French style jacket. This is made from a polyester blend. It's one of these fabrics that I've actually had in my stash for at least 2 years, so I don't know exactly what it is, what kind of blend it is, but it's some sort of polyester blend, I believe, and it's washable. So it's a nice choice, and it's a good weight. It's a suiting fabric, so it is a good weight for springtime. Probably not a good summer fabric, but you know, you have options. This is the pattern here. This is a Vogue Basics pattern, 79.75. I'm pretty sure it hasn't been all that long ago that I bought this pattern. I know it was available years ago, and I actually had it. I still have it in a different size, but I bought it again fairly recently. So basically what I did is view B here, but without the trim, since I actually could not find the kind of trim that I wanted, so I just left it without. But I like this because it's very versatile, it's easy to make, it's fully lined. I just use a regular rayon, I guess, or lining that I bought at Joann's, whatever that is, usually polyester, I guess. And pretty quick to put together, and can be styled with jeans or dressier or whatever. So that's this jacket. And I encourage you to also give that one a try. Give something like this a try, because it's always a great thing to have because of the versatility, and you really can get a lot of use out of it. I have another one that I made years ago that's in a hot pink that I absolutely love, and I still wear it. So this is the first one that I made. I know it doesn't go with what I'm wearing right now, but this is more of a 3/4 sleeve, and it is view C, and I just put the little pockets and used ribbon trim on the front. but this one is made from a nice lightweight cotton blend fabric. So that's this one here. So this was the first one that I made, and I did this probably, I can't even remember. It's been maybe 4 or 5 years ago, and I still have it, still wear it. So anyway, I wanted to show you this, that it's very versatile pattern. Just depends on what kind of fabric you're going to use to make it. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please click like, and please subscribe to my channel. And I often will give tips and hints, things that I do that help me in the sewing process. And I like to share that stuff with you. I like to share what I make, what fabrics I'm using, what fabrics I've bought, and patterns, etc. So please go ahead and click like, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Thanks. Bye.